Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the reading for Leo for the month of July 2020 in their love matters. So this is for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and anyone who is drawn towards this reading. I have shuffled the cards and laid them out. This is the general reading, so it will not resonate with everyone. So take whatever resonates, and cross watchers are also welcome. But remember, energy can be vice versa, okay? So we will just start with your reading. On my left, I have your cards, and on my right, I have your person's cards, okay? So let's start with your reading, and we will do the clarification side by side wherever needed, okay? So let me give you a general overview of this reading. What I'm feeling from here, Leos, that someone left you and someone left the situation, someone left this connection, and someone left this relationship, okay, or ended this relationship. But now this person is coming back to you and wants to come back into your life, and they want to recreate those moments or that connection which you had once together, okay? So this person who left you in the past in cold now comes back into your life. And what I'm feeling from here is that, Leo, you were not waiting for this person, okay? This person left you, but you were not heartbroken over this person. You were living your life as usual. You were not that much affected, okay? And rather you were feeling sorry for this person, okay? But now when this person comes back, they are giving you love, they are pouring out their emotions for you, and you are feeling like you won, okay? You're feeling like a victory, okay? So, but what I'm feeling here is that although you're feeling like you won something you once lost, and you are really feeling happy and victory over this, that this person came back, your ego is satisfied, but you are not sure about the outcome, okay? You don't know where this relationship will be directed, okay? So you think that you are not aware about the outcomes, because there are some issues in the life of both of you, which you both are well aware of, and that is the thing which is holding you back. So you are not sure about the outcome, whether it will be successful in this situation or not, whether you will be together or not, okay? But for now you're feeling like you want something, real big, but you don't know where it will go. So this is your energy. What your person is feeling in this connection is that your person was disappointed with you in the past, or maybe they were dealing with their own issues, and that's why they were not able to see your heart, okay? So they left you, but then they realized that you are the one they need, you are the one who completes them, okay? You are everything they once desired. So they see you as a complete package, and that's why they want to come back into your life, because maybe by this time they have healed themselves and they want to move on to something new, and they want to move on with you, okay? So, and they are thinking about you a lot. They are thinking about spending future with you. What I'm feeling here is that this person is thinking about future with you, okay? They are imagining things with you, they are thinking about the whole lot of stuffs, okay? And they see you as the king of clubs, okay? So I think this person has a huge respect for you, Leos. They respect you, and that's why maybe they, when they were not sure about their feelings, they left you because they didn't want to play with you. Okay, and that's why when they realized their true emotions for you, they came back, and now they are thinking about you and they want to have a future with you. Okay, and they respect you a lot, and they want you to be beside them, to support them. Okay, and to take care of them. Okay, so they really admire you and respect you. But for now, this person wants you and himself or herself to focus on their work or business. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is that this person wants you and himself to establish first. Okay, so this person has feelings, this person has respect for you, and this person is practical also. Okay, so they want to establish a firm foundation. Okay, they want to work on your business. Okay, they want to develop themselves, they want to be financially secure, professionally secure. Okay, they want a secure future with you, and this is not for themselves, this is for both of you. Okay, so I think this person is really a good person, a genuine person. But from your energy, I'm able to see that you are quite unstable right now, Leos. You are playing a quite kiddish here. Instead of taking their feelings, you are now into more of your mind and ego, and you are not sure about whether to move on with this person or not. Okay, this happens when we get someone back who left us. So we feel like our ego gets flares up. Okay, so we feel like we really won in this situation. Okay, maybe they didn't get someone like me or us. Okay, so but this is not the situation here. I think that this person really went through a lot of healing so that they can give their heart to you. Okay, so they didn't want to play with you, what I'm feeling from these cards. Okay, so if you want to work with this person, then think about working with this person genuinely, right? So let's take some divine guidance from universe and divine over this situation and connection for Leos in their love matters for the month of July 2020. Okay, so Ace of Clubs. I think this is you, Leos. You are feeling like you are very powerful, and whatever you want you can get. Okay, I can understand this feeling right now, Leos. So you are feeling like you can get anyone you want, you can get anything you want. You're really powerful, magnetic, charming, and a really good personality. So you are feeling like this, and maybe your person is also feeling like this. Okay, so, and yes, this is a divine message for you that yes, you can get whatever you want, and that's why maybe you got this person back, right? So which I think you once wanted, right? So I think you should make better use of it if you want. So let's take one and a card for you, Leos. Okay, Queen of Clubs. So this person thinks that you are the King of Clubs and has a huge respect for you, and the divine message is that this person is a real Queen of Clubs. Okay, that's why she is or he is able to see that you are King of Clubs. Okay, so this, I think this is the indication that you can work together if you want, because you both are like each other. Okay, Queen of Clubs, King of Clubs. Rest is up to you, Leos, whether you want to work it out or not. So I think you have enjoyed your reading. We will end this reading here. Till next video, have fun, enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe for further videos, and till next video, bye bye, take care, love you.